Welcome to Saint Lucia, where we're gonna do rainforest mountain biking. Thank you.
I'm Anna, I'm the tour guide. So welcome to beautiful Saint Lucia. This is the Helen of the West Indies. The official language is English, but we also speak a French-based Creole. The main industry on the island is tourism, followed by agriculture, our main export crop, bananas.
Our tour guide Anna is telling us about the island, about all of the different fruit plants on the island, about the local rum and how it's made, along with all the different companies. The tour here is very interesting and the history of the island is very interesting. Apparently most of the plantations that used to be on the island were sugarcane, but now they're bananas, and due to recent storms and increasing weather events, a lot of the local farmers are changing their crops to more rooted plants. That way the storm doesn't destroy their crops. So as the weather changes here on the island, so do the crops. There are many crops on this island, and if you look around, there's a lot of fruit stands where people are selling bananas and different fruits. And as far as the local rum goes, they have a rum here on the island, which I'm not sure if we'll be able to try, but it's 80% alcohol. So it's very, very strong, but apparently very, very good. And if I get a chance, I will try some of that. It just depends on what time we get back from this tour. Can you tell me how many different types of mangoes are on the island?
Yes, in Saint Lucia we have over 60 varieties of mangoes, and each one of them have a different flavor. Most mangoes, most of the names are Creole names. Yeah, but you get the creamiest and the sweetest mango is called Mango Julie.
Mango Julie.
It's named after a woman, obviously. Yeah.
And you told me that when they were green, you guys can cook them as like almost like a vegetable, or...
Yeah, we do use them as a vegetable when they're green. We can make a salad with them, or we can cook them and make mango chutney.
Okay.
Or we can also make a jam with it, with the green mangoes. You boil them and you add spices and sugar, and it's nice. Yeah.
And when it's ripe, you eat it like the regular fruit.
As a fruit, yeah. We eat it as a fruit.
And during summer, no pots and pans. Mangoes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Mangoes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's right.
Awesome. Awesome. This is our driver, Pat. He's the best driver in the world. He
PhD.
PhD, which stands for
Pothole Dodger.
Pothole Dodger. Yes.
I don't need it. Let's see. Have a seat.
Awesome.
Good?
Yes.
Nice.
Whew. Yeah, that's tough. Oh. Ain't nothing but a thing. Easy. I wonder how many, like, you saw, let's just say cruise ship people, right?
Yeah.
Come onto the boat and then decide to take this and then don't quite make it, you know?
Yeah, probably a lot. We honestly weren't sure about
We were scared.
I think it's not too bad because...
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Piece of cake for you. Yeah. No problem. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at our tour guides. We're all breaking a sweat, struggling, breathing. These guys, no sweat, smiles, all smiles. How was that for you?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay. All right. Nice, very nice, very nice. Here comes another hill. Hello. Easy for you.
No, you got it very easy, buddy.
Oh yeah.
You got it easy, buddy.
I imagine there's some pretty tough trails here.
We actually reached already. Stop it.
Ah.
How was that? That was good.
So after the tour guide told me that you can turn the GoPros on and off with your voice, which I did not know. He also told us that we're going to go to a waterfall here in a second and maybe go for a swim if we want to. So we'll see. It's pretty hot out here, so I might jump in real quick. But we're having a wonderful time here in the rainforest, and we're gonna keep the adventure going.
Just rub it in your eyes.
Yeah.
Hey
So,
guys!
This is
Can't see
the
no more.
main ingredient for pepper spray.
That's the mace. And this is the nutmeg. Looks like a chocolate.
The tour guide is showing us nutmeg. I touched a little bit of it, and you can just kind of smell it on your fingers. It smells really nice. He's crushing it right now so that he can show us what it smells like and give us a little sample of it.
Oh wow. Smell it. And pass it up when you.
So the inside is white and the outside is brown. Oh wow, it does smell really good.
Strong.
That's very cool.
Maybe I'll just live out here so I don't have to go to the store and buy spices. No?
Yeah.
No, we have cinnamon, we have everything over here.
Yeah, it's all free.
Yeah. So I said I'm moving out here. I'm gonna come and spend a lot of time with you. I'll be a mountain bike tour guide.
Oh, well, you know already. Okay.
And then I'll have abs
Yeah.
with you.
We'll get good enough.
He says he doesn't need to smell the nutmeg because he uses it on a daily basis. Very cool. So now that we've smelled the nutmeg, we're gonna head towards the waterfall. Oh, look at this. Look at that. There's a huge waterfall up there. All right, we've taken off our shoes and now we're gonna head up to the waterfall up here. We gotta climb through the river and get a little dip in the Rainforest River.
Just walk. That's not where I stepped.
Are you guys seeing this? Look at how amazing that is. Oh my God. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at how many plants are growing on the side of this waterfall. It's like a jungle secret oasis. This place is amazing. You only get to go here if you're on this tour. Nobody else is around except for the 5 or 6 people that are on this tour. This place is magical. I mean, this is Words cannot express just how beautiful this place is. This waterfall is 150 feet tall. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This is definitely a trip to remember. I'm going under the waterfall. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! Woo! That is amazing. Oh, that water is so refreshing. Going under the waterfall was definitely worth it. All right, well, it doesn't get any better than this. This adventure was absolutely amazing. We mountain biked through the rainforest and then we ended up at this absolutely beautiful waterfall. Man, this adventure was absolutely amazing. I had a great time. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Alex Haney Adventures, and I will see you on the next one.